did you like settle there, or are you ever coming back to Greece, or